Meaning of dubiety.
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 Dubiety. Dubiety refers to a state of uncertainty or doubt about something. It is often used to describe a situation where someone is unsure whether or not to believe something, or when there is conflicting evidence or information that makes it difficult to make a decision. This term can be used in many different contexts, such as in legal proceedings, scientific research, or personal relationships. Overall, dubiety is a common experience that everyone has encountered at some point in their lives, and can be challenging to navigate when trying to make important decisions.